Pakistani angle has now surfaced to the Chinese incursions into India. A New York Times report has claimed that the Pakistan government has allowed 11,000 Chinese army soldiers into the Indian territory in Gilgit and Baltistan. The New York Times has reported that the Chinese are eyeing the strategic region because they want access to Pakistan's Gwadar port to allow for Gulf oil to reach China's eastern province. Well, joining us for more on the story, Lieutenant General Shankar Prasad. Mr. Shankar Prasad, why is this the right time and right area for Pakistan to get in Chinese muscle? What is the strategic importance of this area?
Well, we all know that Pakistan is already considered a large portion of Indian territory through which the Karakoram highway now runs. And now the Chinese have deployed 11,000 soldiers who are going to assist in building of this fast road rail network so that they get an access to the ports in Pakistan, which reduces their lines of communication of carrying oil and such other necessities into their mainland. Now this is something that is going to be putting pressure on India. It is Indian land wrongly given by Pakistan to China, and therefore by force they have occupied it, and it's something like yet another Tibet that China is creating over here, and you're going to have one more enemy more or less looking into you right from the northern areas now. So this area has great strategic importance, and which is why I think it's a very serious matter that reporters appear that 11,000 troops are active there already for a couple of months, involved themselves in construction of roads and such infrastructure development. So we need to take a very serious note of all this.